Morning. I am Coimbatore Tirumular Siddharpeetham Sivayogi Sivarajan speaking. Now I am going to speak about mudras which increase oxygen level in the blood. To fight all kinds of viruses and virus related diseases, one of the need is oxygen level increase. How to increase the oxygen level through mudras? That is, lungs has a capacity of 4.5 liters, the maximum. But normally people use only 1/3 of the lungs. So other areas remain unused. So if you do some pranayamas to inhale more and absorb more oxygen, it will be very useful at this time. And the mudras are also very useful for enhancing oxygen level in the blood. Before that, what is a mudra, what is the purpose of mudra and how it is working, you should know. Now IIT has also said that Linga Mudra is better. How to do Linga Mudra? That they are not explaining. How to use, there are techniques to use Linga Mudra. Linga Mudra will raise oxygen level, but how to use it, they are just showing that like that. No, there is a very good procedure for that. Linga Mudra, what is that? Actually, this is yoni, the female portion. Then you have to insert, this is the male portion, insert like this and hold like this. And now it becomes like this. This is a linga inserted in the yoni. In that form it will be formed. And which finger you have to insert, that is very important. So in Linga Mudra, the left finger should be inserted into the this yoni portion. This is called yoni portion. This is called linga portion. Then only it will be effective. For ladies, they should change the right finger, insert the right finger into the left finger. The procedure is there. So simply saying this will increase oxygen. What is the procedure? They have to explain. I am in this field for more than 45 years. I am having international valuable teacher training certificate from Sivananda Ashram. So I am authorized to tell all these things. So the professors, their research holders are doing and simply telling after they observing their these scientific instruments, they are telling. But what is the procedure? What is the correct procedure? You have to know. If you do that in the correct procedure, then only you will get maximum benefit. So the Linga Mudra you can hold near Muladhara and rise little by little. You have to rise little by little. So then only the oxygen level will increase. Not only oxygen level. By Linga Mudra, not only oxygen level, the prana in a segment in your body will rise. Oxygen is O2, the gas. The prana is the energy segment present in your chest area and it is present in different parts of our body in different names. In yoga, they are referring to 10 vayus. But in Siddhanta and Varma, Siddhanta 4 more vayus are mentioned in Tamil Siddha Vaidya, and in Varma 1 more vayus. Totally 15 vayus are there. Rasa vayus people know, in addition to 4 plus 1, 15 vayus are there. When you do this Linga Mudra, all these energy segments will be increased. How this Linga Mudra increases oxygen in you? Oxygen is one of the 5 elements. Oxygen is one of the 5 elements, but the 5 elements are present in your body in the astral form, in the form of light and sound. So the earth is present in you in the form of earth color plus love. Water is present in the astral body in the form of warm and white. Agni is present in the form of yellow color and this rum. So pranan present in your chest area is present in the form of M and black color. And Vayu is present, Akasa is present in your vicinity in the form of blue color and Om Hum. So Nada and the Bindu stages, they are present in the astral body. Actually, the Linga Mudra increases the prana energy in your body. When the prana energy in your body is increased, naturally you are absorbed the O2, the mere gas will be absorbed fast in your body. So these are the secrets in the Linga Mudra. More that how to do Linga Mudra. You have to hold somebody showing like this. When you show like this in full stretch, the power is less. You have to keep it near your body within half feet. Half feet you keep this mudra from your physical body. You have to keep half feet and then write slowly, not mere holding. You have to you keep near Muladhara and slowly rise, and if you rise, then only the energy level will increase. All the Apanan, Vyanan, Samanan, and Pranan, and this Udanan, etc. All the Dasava and the main Pancha, 5 pranas will be powerful, made powerful by Linga Mudra. When they are made powerful, not only that, all the Vayus connected with will get power. So Linga Mudra should be used with the procedure, and it should be kept near your body of feet distance and rise little. Then only, not only the oxygen level, the prana level will increase. The prana, because the prana is looking after respiration in your body. Of the Dasavayus, Samanan is looking after digestion, Apanan is looking after elimination process, Vyanan is looking after blood circulation, and Prana energy is connected to Anahata Chakra, and it is doing the work of respiration. So when you increase the Prana level by this Linga Mudra, once this Prana energy segment is activated, it induces breathing process, speeds of breathing process, so you get more oxygen. So this is very important. The usage of that mudra is also important. But if you do some prana mudra, anahata activation and prana mudra, then it will be more powerful. Anahata activation technique is there. You have to activate the 12 petals in your Anahata Chakra. The 12 petals are actually the Surya principles. 12 Surya principle present, and the Surya energy is connecting to you through these Surya petals. 12 Rasis are also connected with that. If you activate these 12 petals, and then you add this activate prana with the prana mudra, then you will get more than Linga Mudra, you will get oxygen in prana mudra. This is prana mudra. So after activating the Anahata Chakra, the chakra activation yoga is very powerful. Only myself, I am giving the training. Nobody else is giving the training. There is a combination. Anahata Chakra activation, then activate the prana energy with this prana mudra and the mantra Om Pranaya Swaha. There are, if you want to activate detail, there is a separate color for this prana, and there is Devada for the prana. Mudra and mantras are also available. If you activate with all these details, then the prana will be in a fullest form. Then this will increase oxygen level in you. Not only this Linga Mudra. Prana Mudra increases the prana power in your body. We keep this in this like this. Before holding this prana mudra, one has to activate the prana energy attached to Anahata Chakra. For that, Anahata activation and prana activations are needed. If you want to go in detail, you have to open this Edagala also, that is carrying the prana energy throughout your body. So the scientist, the IIT has told about this. They have to conduct research and confirm this also. This is also already available in yoga records. This will provide more oxygen, increase oxygen level in between higher than this mudra, linga mudra. Anahata activation, then prana activation, and if needed you can activate Edagala. This will increase the oxygen level in your blood. Nowadays, the oxygen this deficiency is causing many deaths in hospitals. So this is time that this chakra activation yoga is the highest form of yoga, which can save life. And Linga Mudra is one of these to help you. So for increasing these, not only this Prana Mudra, the Surya Mudra will also help you. Surya Mudra is press this like this. This is Surya Mudra. If you do like this Surya Mudra, then also heat and oxygen level will increase in your body. These are already there in Tamil records and yoga records. It is time the researchers should check up this and also give results to the public and advise these healers and doctors to use this. So Linga Mudra and prana activation, anahata activation and prana activation and Surya Mudra to increase heat in your body. For resistance of disease, not only this oxygen heat is also needed. To increase heat with the immediate effect, the Surya Mudra will be helpful. And if you want it with the immediate effect, you can also activate Manipuraha and the Surya Mudra. Manipuraha can be activated with the Agni Mudra. Then a sudden rise of heat in your body will be experienced with 2-3 minutes. I am conducting chakra activation yoga for so many years. I am in this field for more than 45 years. So to increase heat, Manipuraha activation is very much essential. Then Agni Mudra should be used to activate Manipuraha. After that, you can use this Surya Mudra also to increase heat and oxygen. So these things are useful. In addition to Linga Mudra, there are these mudras can also help to get more oxygen and more heat to resist all kinds of diseases. Those who want to learn in detail, contact me. Thank you.